Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. We are back again with a new video. In this video, we are going to explore about inverted right angle triangle pattern. So, for that, we need to import the required libraries. So, this imports pyplot from matplotlib, which is used for plotting. And now we'll define the number of rows. So we want the number of rows to 5. This variable sets the number of rows to 5, meaning the triangle will have 5 levels. And now we'll create the figure. So for that we'll write So this creates a 6 into 6 inch figure for proper visualization. And now we'll generate the inverted right angle triangle pattern using nested loop. So for that we'll write so this loop iterates through each row in I and now and this loop decrease number of dots in each row. So the outer loop I iterates over the number of rows and the inner loop j ensures that the number of dots decreases in each row. So for example, row 0 is equals to 5 dots and row 1 is equals to 4 dots, row 2 is equals to 3 dots, row 3 is equals to 2 dots and row 4 is equals to 1 dot. And here this plt dot scatter, here J represents the horizontal x-axis position and minus I, this represents the vertical y-axis position. Negative value makes it start from the top and S is equals to 800. This sets the dot size to 800 for better visibility and C is equals to red. This sets the dot color to red. And now we'll set the axis limit. So this sets the x-axis range and now we'll set the y-axis limit. And this sets the y-axis range and ensures that the plot area is properly adjusted to fit the triangle. And now we'll remove the axis and formatting of the plot. For that we'll write so this hides the axis and now so this ensures the equal spacing between the plots. And now we'll add a suitable title to the plot. with font size 14. And at last, now we'll display the plot. So this displays the plot, and now we can check this. So here we can get an error, so we'll correct this. So now we'll check this. So as we can see, here is the inverted right angle triangle plot. So thanks for watching this video.